Hello friends and welcome back. This week we're talking about beginning letter sounds. And they are the sounds that you hear at the beginning of a word. So let's get started. We're going to make a sound box. Things you need for this project are paper, glue, scissors, markers, stickers, and items you found around your house with the beginning letter sounds that you choose to use for this activity. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have a shoebox, and I'm going to take my shoebox, and you can decorate it with paper. If you have wrapping paper, you can use wrapping paper. If you don't want to decorate it, you don't have to decorate it at all. But what Miss Cindy's going to do is just put some paper on it, like that. Put some on the front, and I'm going to put some on the back with my glue. Just put a couple spots in the middle, some on the end, and I'm going to glue my paper like that. Then I'm going to take, I have paper that I'm going to put on the end that I already cut up. It's like this, so you can decorate it however you want. I'm going to open it up for that piece, and I'm going to put my glue like that. All right, so I have the paper on my box. Now, next, I have some stickers. You might not have stickers at home. If you don't have stickers, you can draw with your markers. So I'm just going to put a couple stickers on my paper, like this. You can draw happy faces. You can write the word sound box. You can put, if you have whatever kind of stickers you have, put a balloon there and some stickers, just like that. See my stickers? And I'm just going to put them on there. And it doesn't have to be anything fancy. If you don't have stickers, I have markers at home. So you could draw a picture if you want. You want to draw a picture or write your name. So my name is Cindy, so I could write Cindy there. C-I-N-D and Y. That spells Cindy, and sorry I'm writing upside down so it looks a little funky. So after you decorate your box, I wrote sound box on mine, and I have pictures on there. I have my name on there. You're going to need to cut a hole in the top of your box. This is something that your mommies and daddies are going to have to help you with, because this part you should not be doing without an adult. So I'm going to take my cutter and I'm going to cut a big giant hole in the top. Like I said, ask your mommies and daddies to help you with this part, so you have a big hole in the top of your box. And my hole looks like this. I found some things that were laying around my house, and I'm just going to put them in my box. like that. The beginning sound that we'll be working on is the letter C. The other letter is going to be the letter D. D says D and C says K. So we're going to listen for the beginning sound and we're going to see where our word goes, where our picture goes. The first thing that I picked is a D, donut. Does the first sound like D, D, or K, K? Is it a donut or a conut? You're right, duh. It's a donut. So we're going to put it over here. And we're going to write the word D-O-N-U-T. And donut says D, D. The next word is a comb. Is it a dome, dome, or a comb? You're right. It makes the C sound. So we're going to write comb. K, k, has the beginning sound of K. The next word is a car. Is it a car or a door? It's a car. Very good. The beginning sound says car. C A R. Beginning sound says car. I have a doll. Is it a call or a doll? You're right. It's a letter D word. D. The first sound says doll. Doll. This is my sound box. Let me see what yours looks like. You can put any two sounds in the box you'd like. Have a nice day.